Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install python-dotenv in Python on Windows 11. The python-dotenv module is a Python library used to manage environment variables by reading key value pairs from a .env file and loading them into the application's environment. So let's begin. First, let's make sure Python and pip are correctly installed. To do that, we are going to click on the Windows icon, type cmd in the search bar and then click on the command prompt. Once the command prompt opens, you are going to type python space hyphen version, hit enter, and then type pip space hyphen version, hit enter. If you don't see Python or pip here, don't worry. I have already made videos on installing Python and pip on Windows 11. Check the links in the description box to those videos and come back once that's done. But if the versions appear like they do over here, you are good to go. Now we are going to create a Python project folder to keep things clean. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So I'm going to type mkdir and the name of the folder. Let's call it .env_project. Hit enter. And you can see a folder by the name of .env_project has been created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Alright, we are inside the .env_project folder. Let's now create a virtual environment for python.env. Type python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it .env_venv. Hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment's creation is successful. Alright, no error. Let's run the dir command to see if the virtual environment is created. And you can see .env_venv virtual environment has been created. You can see it over here. This is going to keep python.env isolated from other projects that are ongoing on your system. Let's now activate the virtual environment. So we'll write the name of the virtual environment, which is .env_venv \. We'll write scripts, that's with capital S / activate. Hit enter. And you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install python.env. So type pip install python-dotenv. Hit enter. Great, the installation has become, oh my god, it ended in a flash and it says successfully installed python.env 1.2.1. Alright, now we are going to test its installation by first creating a .env file. So write notepad space .env, that is going to create a .env file which is going to open in notepad. Here just type secret_key and let our secret key be joey123. Save the .env file, go back to the command prompt. Now we are going to create main.py. Okay, it is opening in notepad. In this file, we are going to write from .env import load_.env. Then we'll write import os. Then we are going to call this function load_.env. And finally, we are going to print our secret key using os.getEnv. Within its brackets, within double quotes, we'll write secret_key. This load_.env function reads variables from the .env file and loads them into the environment. Now we go back to command prompt. Here we run main.py. So we write python space main.py, hit enter, and it prints our secret key. We did this exercise just to test the installation of python.env environment, but never do this in production. So once the value of the secret key prints without errors, it means your python.env setup is complete. Finally, we are going to deactivate our virtual environment because that's a very good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install python.env module in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.